Welcome to the deep dive. All right, so today we're looking at something pretty fascinating, the resume of Adnan Siddiqi.
Right, a software engineer who's really getting into generative AI, large language models.
Exactly. And our mission sort of is to figure out what makes someone well suited for this, really fast-moving AI field.
And maybe learn a bit about the practical side of AI too.
Yeah, because what jumps out immediately is, well, it's not just AI buzzwords. There's this solid software engineering foundation underneath it all.
Totally. That blend is what's striking. You see core programming skills like Python, PHP, Go, and then the databases MySQL, PostgreSQL, even MongoDB, Kafka, Elasticsearch. It's broad.
It really is. It suggests someone who can actually build the whole system, not just play with the AI part.
Right. Someone who can make the AI do something useful within a larger application.
And you've got the frameworks too, Laravel, Django, Flask, so web apps, APIs.
And things you need to, deliver the AI features. Plus DevOps, Docker, AWS. Crucial for actually running this stuff.
Okay, so that's the base. Solid. Now, the AI skills, a specific mention of LLM inference APIs.
OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, the main players.
Yeah. And embeddings in RAG are listed too, which, for you listening, are pretty important techniques.
They really are. It means going beyond just basic prompts. It shows practical knowledge of how to make LLMs work better, more context aware.
And then there's the ETL expertise, Airflow, Spark.
Oh, yeah, the data side. You can't forget the data. AI runs on data, right?
Absolutely. So managing that data flow, getting it ready, that's what those tools do. It's like the plumbing for the AI engine.
Good analogy. Okay, so how does this all fit together in his jobs, my marketing pass?
Yep.
That's current.
Yeah, since late 2023. And the focus is clearly AI innovation. Look at this. 3x cost efficiency in content generation using LLMs and OpenAI APIs.
Wow, okay, that's a quantifiable impact.
It is. But importantly, it also mentions streamlined editing. So it's not just, letting the AI run wild. There's quality control.
That balance is key. Automation plus human oversight. Makes sense.
And this bit about democratizing AI, using custom GPTs, voice flow, seems like making AI tools usable for, content creators.
Yeah, making it accessible. That's smart. Not everyone was a coder.
Right. And then building an end-to-end AI system for sales and support, automating customer acquisition, generating tickets. That's pretty comprehensive.
That's applying AI across the whole business process, basically.
Okay, going back a bit. TELUS App, Inc., 2017 to early 2022. This looks like where the heavy data engineering foundation was built.
AWS data pipelines, automating them 24/7, Python Fabric. That's serious infrastructure work.
And developing Python scrapers, pulling in, 300,000 records daily?
Yeah, using parallelism, proxies, even handling tricky websites with Selenium. That's building the data supply chain you need for any big AI project later on.
Totally. You can see how that experience directly supports the later AI focus. You need that robust data handling first.
And the ETL pipelines, making data accessible for teams. Fundamental stuff.
Then there's the freelance consulting work, ongoing since 2012. Seems quite varied.
Yeah, LLM tools like chatbots, summarization, but also algorithmic trading systems.
Right. Shows adaptability, applying similar concepts in very different domains.
And finally, the side projects. Those are always interesting.
Yeah, they really show initiative, like a project recommendation system using OpenAI embeddings.
Avatar generation with OpenAI image APIs.
An AI cover letter generator using Gemini. Automating a financial blog. Even a real estate chatbot with voice flow.
It's a lot of exploration. It shows someone genuinely playing with the tech, seeing what it can do.
And importantly, there are also pure coding projects listed, like GoCache and Ferrist. It reinforces that software engineering core.
Yeah, it's not just about AI. It's about being a good engineer using AI.
So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway here? For me, it's that strong mix. Solid software skills combined with really practical, hands-on generative AI experience.
I agree. It's not just theory. It's building things, deploying things, getting results like that 3x efficiency.
Yeah. And the aha moment is maybe seeing how someone builds that skill set over time, moving from data foundations into these cutting-edge AI applications across different jobs and projects.
It definitely paints a picture of the kind of multifaceted expertise that's, really valuable right now in the AI space.
Exactly. It highlights what drives innovation.
So maybe a final thought for you listening. When you see someone with this kind of breadth-deep software engineering, data skills, practical Gen AI application across different areas, what kind of completely new, maybe unforeseen applications of AI could they pioneer next? It's often at that intersection, right, where established knowledge meets these powerful new tools. That's where the really interesting stuff might happen.